Right then, starting. Quick video on how to change the cartridge inside a combi boiler shower. So this is for the Mira agile, however you want to pronounce it, I don't care. But yeah, it's a quick video of how I did it. Not exciting like the last ones, but yeah, we've got to mention it's if your shower's gone hot and it'll just not go cold whatsoever, or vice versa. The cartridge probably needs changed. Cheaper to replace a cartridge in the whole unit, but hey ho, do whatever you want to do. Let's get back to the video. Hey. Right then, starting. Quick video on how to change the cartridge inside a combi boiler shower. So this is for the Mira agile, however you want to pronounce it, I don't care. But yeah, it's a quick video of how I did it. Not exciting like the last ones, but yeah, we'll go mention it's if your shower's gone hot and it'll just not go cold whatsoever, or vice versa. The cartridge probably needs changed. Cheaper to replace a cartridge in the whole unit, but hey ho, do whatever you want to do. Let's get back to the video. Hey.
Thing is, first turn your water supply off hot and cold. Open a couple of bathroom taps upstairs, hot and cold, so the pressure is released. Open that, all the pressure is gone, so when you do slide that off, you shouldn't have a load of water spurting out at you. This should just pull off, which it did, to be fair, and then you need a 2.5mm Allen key to take that out, then that should slide off. Once that screws out, just remember the position this is in, it should be in the off position. Slide that out. And then you need some big adjustables or whatever. Take that brass nut off. Show us what to do with that next. Right, that's that out. Then hopefully that should just pull right out. Looks different from the other one. We'll compare them, make sure I've got the right one. Quick tip, I seen on another video, if that's been stubborn, doesn't want to come out, put a screw in it and then get some needle nose pliers and pull on that, and or whatever you got. Don't damage any thread, so it should come right out. So there we go, came out in the end. Did take a bit of encouragement that that cap, I forgot I took off, so it did look slightly different. The only thing I can say on here is it's dirty, so maybe that's why it's blocked and stopped working. Lime scale, all that malarkey. We'll get this back in, see if it works. Right, so you see that tab there with the slit in it? On here, you got that there. So we got to make sure that's lined up correctly when you push it in. And it should look like that. Right, let's get the rest put together. Right, that's it all back together. Water's still off, but that feels smooth as. Turn the water on, see what happens. Right, moment of truth. Well, it's cold at the moment. Set that full blast on the heat. That's warming up. Warming up. Cooling down. Excellent. Right, that's worked. Better than buying a full unit, isn't it?